Hello, everyone. I am Julia Carlson. I'm the CEO and founder here at Financial Freedom Wealth Management Group. Give me a second. This is live. I am coming to you today from our Salem office, and I am going to share about how the markets can be really scary sometimes, especially when they are reacting to the headlines out there, which are very valid. You know, there is geopolitical events with the war in Ukraine. There are big things happening with inflation, rightfully so. You know, that is going to have impact on our markets, and it can feel kind of chaotic to figure out how do you navigate this being an investor. Okay, so I'm going to talk about three different things. Number one, stay calm. It's really critical that you not take emotional actions with your money that's invested in the stock market. Typically, we have found that fear is the common driver to hitting that sell button. In fact, a lot of investors that go it alone and do it on their own, they don't have that partner and advisor to help them kind of walk them back from the ledge of that sell button. And so we know, based on history, selling is rarely the right decision since the markets have essentially recovered like 100% of the time when we're looking at broad indexes in the market. So I would say my first piece of advice is stay calm, breathe, think rationally, don't make knee-jerk reactions and decisions at this point. Okay, number two, educate yourself. The more educated we become, the more empowered we are with investing. Now, I've been investing since I was, probably 17. My dad helped me set up my first investment account, and I understand the markets. I understand how it works, and so I just have more peace about it and understanding, and so it doesn't freak me out. Although no one likes to lose money, and it doesn't feel good. But the day-to-day movement in the market is a normal part of the investing experience. We have to understand that and have that expectation up front. And the more time that you have investing, the experience you have, the more it's not going to bother you so much emotionally. There are also other ways to get educated. You know, we have monthly educational webinars. We're going to have one next week about, you know, what's happening in the markets, what's happening with inflation, how does that affect your investments. We're going to talk about behavioral finance, which is a crucial part of long-term success in investing. You can also dig into the headlines. A lot of times these headlines are created to grab our attention, but a lot of times when we actually read the details and understand what's going on, you're like, yeah, okay, that is going to impact and make short-term volatility, but over the long term, it's going to be okay. And then lastly, I would really encourage you to work with an advisor, work with a partner that understands the markets, that has that heart of a teacher to help you understand what you're investing in, and can be there for you when you have concerns, when you're feeling that fear. It's like they are there, like we are here for our clients to help them through that. So that is number two. Number three, stick with your long-term financial plan. You know, when you're investing in the markets, rarely do you find success with maybe day trading or, you know, timing the market. That's very hard to do. But the patient investor that is dedicated to their long-term financial plan, going with the ups and downs, if you are in that accumulation mode, you're consistently investing. If you're in that distribution mode in retirement, then most likely your portfolio is designed to withhold periods of volatility, and that your income is coming from a more fixed side of your investment. So it's interesting when we think about this stock market volatility. Essentially, it's just on paper. So we like to say the stock market is the only thing that goes on sale and people run for the doors. Where, you know, typically your favorite store, think about it, when it goes on sale, you're excited. You want to go in and buy and find deals. And that's the way I would encourage you to think about the stock market. You know, when things are lower, it is a time to go in and how do you invest, and how do you find good investments that are now at a better value. And so if anything, overall, stick to your plan, have a long-term financial plan. You know, trust your, if you are working with a financial advisor, you know, lean on them and really allow them to help guide you through these scary times, because it can be scary. It's a normal feeling to have, and it's okay to feel that way. But I think as long as we can understand what's happening, we can kind of look through the fear and see the long-term success on the other side. So we're here for you. If you would like to meet with one of our advisors or just stay plugged into our educational webinars and happenings, please head on over to our website and you can sign up there. Also, I'll put the link in for our webinar down below this video. That way you can sign up for that very easily there. Okay, everyone, have a wonderful day.